Alright guys, welcome back to J&J Bowling. Game 1 is over, and let's go into Game 2 so we can bowl better.
Bowling this way? No, you keep it out. Yeah, they actually addressed that.
I mean, appreciate him giving me advice. The problem is, when you don't throw right, it's going to look
yeah, all bets are off.
If I threw it right, he just said move 2 and 1, but you can't move 2 and 1
yeah, but
if
your
I didn't
release
go in
was
my
off,
spot.
or your timing was off, or...
I was trying something else.
Yeah.
I just switched ball, so we're in the widow again. I need something.
Can you look at your shots and be able to determine a trend? Are you coming in behind the head pin? Are you too high? Are you too light? Or are you just all over the place?
A little bit everywhere. Lucky break for me. Put the 5-10 out. Put the 5 out. And then 10-5. Yeah, so he's up by 40 something. He's up by, and then he's got it on. He's going to go 5.
I'm going to have to start throwing that ball right-handed.
You pick up that ball, it's going 5. That ball?
Yeah. Too far right? I need to be further right. Because I'm against the ball return. I need to be further. The further I go right, the further the ball goes right.
I'm waiting for it to go. It stays.
I'm just trying not to throw it.
If I can get locked in here, I'll be alright. The ball just not looking right. I would take your substance all day if you take like that.
Oh, man.
You don't like another trip out the 5-10 again?
Clean up on aisle 31.
You got a 5-10 again? Never went, but I've been down there. But you know, hey, that was a good shot. I like that. Yeah, I need to stop tripping out 5-10. But, you know, I only seen the 5-10 go the last. Not even 10, but not both. His ball just holding. Okay, guys, so yeah, 2 in a row. Yeah, we took out 2 5-10s there, but see if we can make a move here. He got the ball out a little bit, so alright, that was a good shot. So we can't have him. We need to get caught up here. Another 10 pin at the last second. I know it'll go on that side. 10 it looks better than the other one. It looked better than the other two.
Alright, so who's taking count of the pins here?
Who was in?
Alright.
You're up by 40 something on me, 20 something over him or something. Somewhere around there. Alright, we need to keep striking, but we'll also need him to do so fair to get a couple opens here. I hate to act like that, but I mean it's the only way we're gonna catch him. We can't catch him when he's doing that. So can't see by when you're having this striking. Striking this striking, you can't catch him. Not when you're down by.
I'm the only one here that's drinking beer. Just saying.
That's why I use the loop first. Actually, was moving a little bit more. But I tried to move it way more than I expected. I guess we'll look at the redemption. Yeah, gotta look at something.
Oh man! That 2 pin must have been off spot. It should have went.
I gotta throw another ball. I'm not gonna catch him. Where the big asshole? Say, who invited you anyway? That's what I did.
You are more than into this game.
Yeah, I still.
You're in good shape. You're in good shape.
I got to make up that 40 pins from the last one.
Well,
So if I can kind of hold you, maybe get you by 10 here somehow,
Yeah, you cut
it'll cut a little bit out of it. Just have to lean a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I love seeing that. I ain't gonna lie. You know, it's right. I mean, you know, hey, you know good. A lot of my strikes I got were lucky. We got a lot of 5-10s.
I can't make a 7 pin. 1 for 5. 1 for 5. Don't
Yeah.
leave it.
I know, it's crazy.
Try not to float it out so far that I miss my mark right.
Yeah, I think you were trying to adjust it. You got 7 out there, and then you got it too far in, and you got out there too much. It just started going off like an amber was. All right. Nice shot, man. You go up there, you're confident. But like,
You'll get the win for this game, but you'll miss a shot to get some
yeah, I was hoping. Struck out, man. We'll use this one for that. I didn't want to do my redemption to pick up a damn 470. I figured. I don't know. I didn't want to do that. Only cut within 9.
You gotta take me by about 30 to this.
Yeah, I figured if I were struck out and then good spot there. Hey guys, we pulled a little bit closer, but not close enough. We'll see you in game 3.